Welcome, in front of me is an HTC U Ultra, and today I'll show you how to add a fingerprint to the device. So to get started, let's open up settings, and from settings you can scroll down till you find fingerprint scanner right here, and this will pop up only if you have already some kind of protection of your device. So I have a pattern, as you can see, and from there you can tap on add fingerprint. Now if you don't have any pattern, it will now ask you to add one, or pattern, pin, password, whichever one you choose. You'll have an option between those three, and once you have set that up, you then will be able to scan your finger. So let's start, and I will have to tap on the scanner right on the bottom. Now once you're doing this, you want to get a good read of your entire finger from all the sides and edges of it, middle, so you have a high chance of unlocking the device, basically however you press your finger on that button. And once you have added, tap on done, and now we should be able to unlock the device with the fingerprint. As you can see, without the fingerprint I would have to actually just tap on it. Without the fingerprint I will have to put in the pattern to unlock the device. So that is basically how you would add a fingerprint. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.